Welcome to the heart of tech. You're watching Science and Technology News. Are you tired of streaming restrictions? In this guide, I will show you how to install Cinema HD in 2026 by quickly navigating standard platform limits on your FireStick, Google TV, or Android devices. Site, January 18, 2026. This isn't just another tutorial, it's your ultimate ticket to a world where entertainment has broad options and wide access. Let's unlock your device's true potential together. So, what makes Cinema HD APK the king of Reddit and the most searched service on Google? Site, January 16, 2026. It's simple, it brings a massive, high-quality library of movies and shows directly to you for free. By integrating premium debrid services like Real Debrid or All Debrid, you're not just watching, you're experiencing crystal clear, buffer-free 4K content. The brand new version 3.4.3, released on October 30, 2025, is the most stable and optimized build we have ever seen. It works perfectly with external players like MX Player and even supports Trakt Sync to keep your personal watch list organized across all your gadgets. It is truly the gold standard for movie lovers. Amazon tries to tighten the net, but we are here to stay ahead of the game. Site, January 16, 2026. Before we jump into the setup, please take a second to subscribe and join our tech-savvy community. Your likes and comments are the fuel that keeps these guides coming. Now, let's get this installed and start the show. If you plan to use Cinema HD frequently, create the app's shortcut on the Fire TV home screen. Go to your app's channels and launch Cinema HD. Click Allow. Read the disclaimer and click Accept. A change logs window will appear. Click OK. The following is the home screen of Cinema HD. The app's layout is relatively simple. You can explore additional sections by selecting the hamburger menu in the top left corner. Select Movies to switch to the Film section. Note, in addition to TV shows and movies, the menu includes sections such as Favorites, Featured Lists, History, Calendar, Downloads, and more. Click the small, inverted triangle next to the hamburger menu to sort the content by category or genre. You can sort content by popularity, now playing, upcoming, top-rated, latest, fantasy, etc. The search option, located at the far right of the screen, allows you to search for a movie or TV show by keyword. Enter the keyword in the search field to find your favorite video content. Keywords include TV show or movie titles, actors' names, and other relevant terms.